Ever wondered how to write effective prompts for Chatgpt? Well, we've got you covered. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI communication. Crafting well-written prompts is crucial. Why, you ask? Because a good prompt can be the difference between a generic response and a tailored, insightful answer from your AI. On the flip side, a poorly written prompt might leave you with a response as bland as cold porridge. With the right prompts, you can turn your AI from a simple machine into a sophisticated conversationalist. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of writing good prompts, shall we? The first step is to break down the process into manageable parts. Think of it as constructing a delightful sandwich. The bread that holds everything together, that's your active voice. It's direct, it's engaging, and it's conversational. It's like your sandwich is chatting with you. And who wouldn't want that? The filling, oh, that's the language you use. English, to be specific. It's the lingua franca of the digital world, and it's what our AI friends understand best. So keep it crisp, clear, and deliciously English. Next, we have the condiments, the tiny details that add that extra zing. That's where following the brief comes into play. Stick to it closely, like pickles to bread. It keeps your prompt on track and ensures you're hitting the right notes. Remember, a good prompt is like a good conversation starter. It sets the tone for the whole interaction. Now that we know the basics, let's talk about the common mistakes we all make and how to avoid them. One misstep that often occurs is the use of passive voice. It's like trying to steer a ship from the back. It just doesn't work as well. Instead, always use an active voice. It's like taking the helm, guiding your AI with clarity and precision. Another hiccup can be not following the brief. It's like going on a journey without a map. You might end up somewhere interesting, but it's probably not where you wanted to go. Always stick to the brief. It's your map to success. Overcomplicating the prompts is another common mistake. It's like giving someone directions and telling them every single landmark they'll pass. It's overwhelming. Keep your prompt simple and straight to the point. Also, remember to keep a scene to a maximum of 2 minutes. Any more can be too much to digest, and avoid the use of lets. It can confuse the AI. And that's how you avoid common pitfalls while writing prompts. Remember, practice makes perfect. So let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Writing good prompts for AI isn't rocket science. It's all about clarity, specificity, and a dash of creativity. Remember, don't be vague. The AI isn't a mind reader. Stick to active language, avoid ambiguities, and always provide clear instructions. With these tips in your arsenal, go ahead and craft some brilliant prompts for your AI. And don't forget to share your experiences with us. Until next time, keep learning and keep experimenting.